Well, these guys are non-stop players. We've got Gizmo and Phoebe and Sophie, and they're just discovering toys, and they can't decide whether they like to play more with the toys or each other. Usually they're wrestling on top of one another. Now, just as soon as I take out the camera, they decide to be more quiet. Who's busy? Who's busy, playful puppies? Are you wrestling? Go get him, guys. Are you ganging up on Gizmo? Pulling his tail. Is that the equivalent of pulling a pigtail? But they do this all day long. They're so busy playing. Go get him, Sophie. So Phoebe's in the middle, and it's Gizmo on the right, and Sophie's chewing on the cage enclosure at the moment. They busy themselves between the toys and the towels and the puppy pads and the beds and the all sorts of things. They are very playful, active little creatures. I'm very happy. And very healthy, aren't you guys? They'll be 6 weeks old on Saturday. Today is Wednesday, so they're not quite 6 weeks old yet. Where are you going, Gizmo? Oh, maybe Gizmo's gonna pee. All right, well, we'll close this out for now.